Robinson Superior Treaty Area First Nations are now gearing up for another lengthy legal process after the Supreme Court's historic ruling last Friday.
It found that Canada and Ontario owe nearly 150 years of back pay to the communities for failing to increase annuity payments. But it's unclear when that money will make it to the First Nations. Vasilios Bellos reports.
A historic unanimous ruling from the Supreme Court of Canada is being celebrated by Northern Ontario First Nations, though there's still work ahead for the ones north of Lake Superior to receive that compensation. Friday's ruling found the Crown breached its treaty promise by not increasing annuity payments for Robinson Treaty Area First Nations, which have been set at $4 per person a year since 1875. The First Nations argue they're owed as much as $126 billion.
We knew it was going to be a long, arduous legal process.
Chief Wilfred King of Gull Bay says his community welcomed the news, but recognizes there's still work to be done to determine the final settlement number.
There is a 6-month negotiation process which has been articulated already by the other chiefs. It has to be an agreement, and all the lawyers and all the chiefs have to agree in terms of what would be the final settlement. And once that's all parties agree to the settlement, then we would then bring it to the membership for a ratification vote.
All the communities involved have stressed collaboration moving forward being crucial before taking the next legal steps. King says he's ready to begin that work now that the Supreme Court has made its ruling.
The report was a scathing report, and it was a condemnation on both crowns, the federal and the provincial crown, that they left the First Nations with an empty promise in terms of the treaty. We're quite fortunate that this matter has finally been resolved by the Supreme Court, and we look forward to a very positive outcome.
Vasilios Bellos, TBT News.